If your garage door opener chain or belt is making that annoying squeaking noise, you gotta fix it quick before it drives you nuts. Alright, so first up, grab some lubricant that's made for garage door openers, or even a good silicone spray. Don't just use WD-40, because it can gum up over time. Next, make sure your opener is off or unplugged so you don't accidentally get hurt while working on it. Then, clean the chain or belt with a rag to wipe off any dirt or old grease. That squeak often comes from built-up grime. After that, spray or apply the lubricant evenly along the whole length of the chain or belt, but avoid getting it on the actual garage door or floor because it gets slippery and messy. Don't forget to check the rollers and hinges too. They might need a little love to keep everything moving smooth. Once you've lubed it up, run the door a couple of times to spread the lubricant around and listen for any changes in sound. Doing this every few months can save you from those annoying squeaks and keep your garage door opener working like new. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their garage door openers is using the wrong type of lubricant, like oil-based stuff that just attracts dust and makes the problem worse. Fix that by sticking to silicone spray or garage-specific lubricants only. Another common issue is ignoring the squeak until it gets really bad, which can lead to chain or belt wear and expensive repairs. Try to deal with those noises right away. Lastly, some folks forget to unplug the opener before working on it, risking injury or damage. Always cut the power first, safety first, you know? BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors for all kinds of home fixes, including garage door repairs. Plus, contractors get a chance to connect with real customers who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.